Welcome to the Zoe People course. So here we will be talking about holidays. This is with regards to leave. So let's move right along. Setting up the holiday calendar is one of the most important tasks for HRs at the beginning of the year. This is more important if you operate out of multiple locations or multiple shifts. An updated holiday list helps employees plan their leave much ahead of time. This in turn helps in work allocation. Having the option to see the official holiday calendar along with the personal calendar is an added advantage. So, with Zoe People, you will be able to achieve all of this. So we'll be talking about location and shift-based holidays, restricted holidays, viewing holidays list, sync and revoked holiday and leave calendar, and holiday reminders. So let's start with the very first one, location and shift-based holidays. In order to go to this, navigate from the home page, click on leave, then on holidays, and add. Now we're going to add. Enter the name and the date. Check the restricted holiday box to add a restricted holiday. Under applicable for, click the list icon and select the location shifts. Now give a description if needed. So if you want to set a reminder, select how many days in advance it should be sent from the drop-down. Check Notify applicable employees if required. Check Reprocess leave applications based on this added holiday if you want to reprocess leave applications that have been applied on the specified holiday. The leave balance will be adjusted accordingly. When you are finished, click Submit. The reprocess option can be used while editing or deleting holidays as well. While editing, the leave applications before and after editing will be reprocessed. Let's say June 5th is set for Ramzan initially, but then it is edited to June 16th. In this case, the leave applications June 5th and June 16th will be reprocessed. When you add a holiday to a location for a shift, the employees who are mapped to the location of the shift will be eligible for the holiday. If you do not select any location or shift here, then the added holiday will be applicable to everyone in the organization. Please note that in cases where both location and shift-based holidays are present, shift-based holidays will only take effect. Restricted holidays. Now a holiday has been added as a restricted holiday for the organization. For employees to avail the restricted holiday, a leave type called restricted holiday has to be added. To add this, from your homepage, click on leave, then on settings, choose leave type and click add. Enter the leave name and other details as required. And under type, select restricted holiday. Submit. Now, a new leave type called restricted holiday has been configured for your organization. To apply for a restricted holiday, logging a request for a restricted holiday is similar to applying for leave. Follow the steps given below to do this. From your homepage, click on leave, then apply leave and select leave type. Choose restricted holiday. So, give email ID and reason if needed and click submit. Viewing holiday list. So, in order to do this, from your home page, click on leave, holidays, and then click the little filter icon. Now, under applicable for, select me and hit search. The employee will be able to see the holidays that he or she is eligible for. Syncing and revoking holidays and leave calendar. Your leave and holiday calendar can be synced with either Google Calendar or Office 365 calendar. To select the calendar you want, navigate to leave and select list view and click on the little ellipsis icon and select calendar sync. Select either Google Calendar or Office 365. Once you have selected one of these calendars, holidays and leaves will be synced only to this calendar. Push data to Office 365. You can push your leave and holiday details from ZoPeople into Office 365's calendar. This helps you track all of upcoming holidays and events seamlessly without the need to watch between two accounts, of course. The Office 365 account has to be authorized before the details can be pushed and synced. Once you have chosen Office 365 to sync your holiday and leave data, to authorize your Office 365 account in ZoPeople, click Authorize. This will take you to the authorization page, which is this, of course. So now you enter your Office 365 credentials and click Next, and your account will be authorized. So if you're already signed into your Office 365 account, click Use this account. Your account will now be successfully authorized. You can push your leave and holiday calendar into your Office 365 calendar. After authorization, the first push from ZoPeople has to be done manually. All leave and holidays added after the manual push will be synchronized with Office 365 calendar automatically. So to push your holiday and leave details to Office 365, from your calendar, from the list view page of your leave portal, select the group from your Office 365 account. Your holiday and leave details will be pushed to the group selected here. Select the particular calendar as present under the group selected and click Push. Your leave and holiday details will now be pushed to your Office 365 calendar. If approvals are set for leave, then only approved leave will be pushed into your Office 365 calendar. No approvals are configured for leave, then leave will be pushed when it is applied in ZoPeople. The push, leave, events, and holidays will be viewable in Office 365 account under Calendars. So, revoke an Office 365 calendar sync. If you want to do this, follow the steps. Navigate to Leave, then select List View. Click the ellipsis icon in the top right and select Office 365 calendar options. Then click Revoke beside the authorized account. There are important things to remember with this. Authorization is not applicable to users who use the single sign-in method, signing into ZoPeople directly from their Office 365 accounts, as their accounts are already authorized. The push from ZoPeople can occur only after authorization is successful. The first push from ZoPeople has to be done manually. All leave and holidays updated after the push will be synced automatically. The time zone set in your Office 365 account should be the same as the one in your People account. If no leave or holiday is added to ZoPeople within 90 days from the date of the first push, reauthorization will occur. Now we're going to push data to Google Calendar. You can push your leave and holiday details from ZoPeople into Google Calendar. This helps you keep track of all upcoming holidays and events seamlessly. Of course, once again, without having to switch between two different accounts. The Google Calendar account has to be authorized before the details can be pushed and synced. Once you have chosen Google Calendar to sync your holidays and leave data to authorize your Google Calendar account in ZoPeople, click Authorize. So now enter your Google Calendar credentials, then click Next. Give ZoCorp access to your account and click Allow. Your account will be authorized. If you have already signed into your Google Calendar account, click Use this account. Your account is now successfully authorized. You can push your leave or holiday calendar into your Google Calendar. So after authorization, the first push from ZoPeople has to be done manually as well. All holidays and leaves added to the manual push will be synchronized with Google Calendar automatically. Okay, again. So once again, after authorization, the first push from ZoPeople has to be done manually. All holidays and leaves added after the manual push will be synchronized with Google Calendar automatically. So to push your holiday and leave details to Google Calendar, go to the list view page of leave and select the calendar from your Google account. Your leave and holiday details will now be pushed to your office calendar. If approvals are set for leave, then only approved leave will be pushed into your Google Calendar. If no approvals are configured for leave, then leave will be pushed when it is applied in ZoPeople. The pushed leave, events, and holidays will be viewable in your Google Calendar account under Calendars. Now we're going to revoke a Google Calendar sync. So if you want to do this, navigate to Leave and then to List View. Click on the ellipsis icon on the right top corner and select Calendar Options. Then we once again click on Revoke. But remember the points from before. Authorization is not applicable to users who use a single sign-in method, signing into ZoPeople directly from their Google Calendar accounts, as their accounts are already authorized. Again, the push from ZoPeople can occur only after authorization is successful. The first push from ZoPeople needs to be done manually. All leave and holidays updated after the push will be synced automatically. The time zone needs to be the same as it is on Google Calendar. If no leave or holidays added to ZoPeople within 180 days from the date of the first push, then a reauthorization will occur. Please also note that if Google Calendar is already synced for holidays, this prompt will appear to sync leave data as well. For accounts where Google Calendar is already synced for holidays but not synced for leave, push to Google Calendar will appear in the list view. And now for holiday reminders. Automated reminders to remind your employees of upcoming holidays can be configured in ZoPeople. Follow the steps below to set the holiday reminders. Going to Leave, to Holidays, and then Add. Now, enter the holiday name and date, applicable for and other details. Then, set the number of days for which you want the reminder for holiday to be sent. Check Notify applicable employees if required. Check Reprocess leave applications based on this added holiday to reprocess holiday applications that have been applied on the specified holiday. The leave balance will be adjusted accordingly. Thereafter, you can click Submit. Now a reminder will be sent to the applicable employees, notifying them of the upcoming holidays based on the day selected. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.